celebration.
Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays!
We wish you the merriest, the merriest.
The merriest?
Yes, the merriest!
We wish you the merriest, the merriest, the merriest you'll cheer. We wish you the happiest, the happiest.
The happiest? Yes, the happiest!
We wish you the happiest, the happiest, the happiest New Year.
May your tree be filled with happiness! Happiness for all!
May your heart be filled with friendliness.
With happiness and cheerfulness and friendliness for all. We wish you the happiest, the happiest. The happiest, yes, the happiest. We wish you the merriest, the merriest, the merriest you'll cheer. It's the most merriest time of the
Gosh, it looks a lot like Christmas. Right, gang?
With all the decorations!
And presents.
And friends!
Whoa, wait a minute. We're missing Donald.
I wonder where he is.
I really hoped he'd be here by now. Text him. Well, he's not very tech savvy, but I'll try. This holiday, you'll be far away, and I'll be all alone. So please remember this December to fully charge your phone. I know. We all should invite our friends.
Great idea, Minnie.
Gosh, where's my phone?
Text me Merry Christmas. Make my holiday complete.
Though you're welcome, please say PRD.
That's a text I'll never delete.
Choose just the right emoji. One that makes me LOL.
And if you text me something silly, I promise I won't tell.
The Facebook messages are quite as sweet, and the compliment you than just a tweet.
Snap on Snapchat doesn't last.
And boys know that's from Christmas past.
Woo! It's Donald. He must have gotten my text. Hello? It's been a long time to be missing you. You're on your way now, Donald, and I'm over the moon. Everything's all in place, but there is one thing clear. Christmas isn't Christmas till you get here.
There's a present by the fireplace wrapped especially for you. But all that I want is to see your face. That's how you make my wish come
Donald, you finally made it.
Well, we're glad you're here now.
Looks like she got my text.
This is gonna be great.
Please help me welcome my dear friend, the diva of dairy, Miss Clarabelle Cow.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could
melt me snow and have a cup of tea. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello, friends we know, and everyone can see. Oh, oh, mistletoe, hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, there was for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Yeehaw!
Grab your partner, don't say no. Ho, 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 now, here we go.
¡Feliz Navidad, amigos!
Boa noite.
Feliz Navidad!
Welcome to the party!
The three caballeros reunited again for the holidays.
Time to celebrate.
All right, amigos, let's do this! Uno, dos, tres.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Oh
Look, it's our frozen fantasy land.
Oh, it looks like everybody got my invitation.
So, what's with the bells?
You told us to give you a ring. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I sure do love the sound of Christmas bells.
What beautiful Christmas bells! But you stop ringing those Christmas bells! Oops! Oh, Mickey, it's time!
What's that? Oh, right. Oh, we'll be right back with a big holiday surprise.
We've got our own holiday surprise!
Caroling, caroling, now we go. Christmas bells are ringing. Caroling, caroling through the snow. Christmas bells are ringing. Joyous voices singing clear. Sing the sign of heart to cheer. Ring,
was unbelievable.
Surprise! It's Santa and Mrs. Claus! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Blitzing and all his reindeer pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So jump in bed, cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Oh, I just love when friends come together at Christmas time.
That's what makes the holidays so special.
Whether you're far apart
We're making new traditions.
or visiting with old friends.
Wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. It's in the singing of the street corner choir.
It's going home and getting warm by the fire.
It's true wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas.
A cup of kindness that we share with another.
A sweet reunion with a friend or a brother.
In all the places you find love, it feels like Christmas.
It is the season of the heart, a special time of caring, the ways of love made free. It is the season of the spirit, the message, if we hear it, is made it last all year. But Tom will always remember,
It is the summer that's so in December.
it's when you do your best for love, it feels like Christmas. It is the season of the heart, a special time of caring, the ways of love made clear. It is the season of the spirit, the message, if we hear it, is made it last all year. It's true wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. It feels like Christmas.
Oh, Mickey, this really has become the most merriest celebration.
And of course, it wouldn't be the holidays without all of you.
We wish you the joyfulest, cheerfulest, the friendliest, the jolliest. You'll cheer. It's the most merriest time of the year.
Good night, everyone.
So glad you could join us.
Season's greetings.
Happy